Standard 7, Chapter 8, Introduction to HTML. So students, in this HTML, we are going to develop web pages with the help of HTML. That the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So in this chapter, we will learn to make the complete web page on your own. So your website includes text, graphics, tables, list and links. So you will using a simple text editor such as Notepad to write the HTML code, which will then be executed on any of the web browser such as Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. So coming to HTML editor, and before coming to HTML editor, we have to understood some points like HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. It is a simple text files using any HTML editor. It consists of markup languages and the extension of this HTML is .htm or HTML, .html. So it is not case sensitive. And talking about an HTML editor, so before creating an HTML document, we must first learn about the HTML editor. HTML editor is a software application required to write HTML tags to create web pages. These web pages can be viewed using any web browser. Now the second one is WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. This type of HTML editor allows you to create web page without use of HTML tags. Means you will get all the tags there to create the web page. So this content displayed on a screen during editing phase closely resembles the final web page. Coming to the next text editor. So an HTML is a text file. So create an HTML file. We can use any text editor. So the basic text editor we will use in this for creating web pages. In this chapter, we are going to use Notepad editor. But Notepad and WordPad are the examples of the text editor. But the basic is Notepad. Then talking about basic HTML tags description. Students, title tag. As you can see in the video, the title is enclosed between the angular brackets. It is the writing styles of a tag. And the title tag defines a title for the document. Body tag. The body tag defines the document's body. Whatever you are going to describe about the topic will be written in the document body. Next there is H1 to H6, that is level heading tag, and level heading tag defines an HTML headings. Then P tag, that P tag stands for paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is used to give paragraph in web browser, and it understand by P tag, means it will be called as P tag. Next is container tag. So students, in the container tag there are two things to keep in mind. The container tag is basically we can use start tag and end tag. Means, as you can see in this example, the body tag opens and closes with slash. That is called container tag. Opening tag is the body tag and closing tag is the tag with slash. For example, next is B tag. B stands for bold tag, to write the letter in bold. That is called B tag. Then empty tag is there. In empty tag, there is only start tag, no close tag will be there. Means only starting tag, no tag with any slash or anything. So it will be called as IMG tag, HR tag, li tag. These are the basic examples of empty tags. Next is HTML document heading. As described earlier, there are 6 types of label headings, and all the label headings are used to display the text in bigger and bolder format. Bigger and bolder format means a heading HTML implies all the font changes, paragraph breaks before and after, and any white spaces necessary to the render heading. So the heading elements are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So it will written in angular brackets as well. Then different tags in HTML, that is anchor tag. It is used to produce links. Whenever you have to give link, you will use anchor tag with the attribute href, that is called hypertext reference. Then bold tag used to display the text in bold. Then HTML tag used to identify the program as a standard HTML document. Any program in HTML starts with HTML tag. This thing we have to keep in our mind. Starting tag, that is HTML, and end tag, that is also HTML. It means it is the part of container element. Then head tag, it is the first element under the HTML tag that contains information about the HTML document. It means if you have to define title, then you will use head tag enclosed within the title tag. So the title tag displays the text that appears as the title of the web page in the title bar. So for giving heading, we have to use head tag, and title tag is enclosed in head tag to give the title of the document. Next is center tag. To display our text on the web page in the center of the page, we use center tag written like angular brackets and center. Line break tag is there. The line break tag is used to give a single line break. That is called BR tag, and it is a type of empty element. No end tag will be there. No break tag is there. Means it disallows any line breaks in the text between the tags. Whenever we will give breaking between the lines, and when we will use NOBR tag, that is known as no break tag, it will be used like that. Then HTML tag attribute. It provides additional information about the HTML element. Additional information, that is the attribute, means the attribute of any type of tag, any tag. Thank you. This was all about this chapter. We will meet in the next chapter. Bye bye. See you.